Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to connect CJ Dropshipping to TikTok Shop. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So the first thing you need to do here is you need to go to cjdropshipping.com and log in into your account. Now from your account, what we need to do is we need to access our left drawer here. Now typically you should see an arrow here, make sure to expand that, and from here you need to scroll down a bit and look for the authorization section. Now from here, what we need to do is we need to hover to appropriate one here. So make sure to choose the appropriate setting here for TikTok. Now, if you're a TikTok seller in the US, make sure to choose TikTok Shop US. But if you choose TikTok Shop here, you should be able to select other regions. So for now, let's go ahead and choose TikTok Shop. Now from here, it should redirect you to another page where in this case, it's going to give you some information, what to remember, and what are the things that you should be doing for you to actually add your store. But for now, let's go ahead and click on Add Store first. And from here again, this is the notes that you need to read first. In this case, we want to click on OK here so that we'll be able to see the next page. Now, the next page, what we need to do is we need to choose the appropriate ones here. Maybe you're a North American seller or an Asian seller. Let's go ahead and choose Asia seller here. And from here, what we need to do is we need to choose our region. So for example, I'm going to choose Philippines, click on Next. And from here, what we need to do next is we need to basically just log in into your account. So in this case, you just need to provide your email here and your password here. Now also, you could sign up via your TikTok account here if you want to, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.